If you ever need to download a purchase order or work order, the simplest way to do that is to go to your Orders tab over here, Orders page, and then go up to the tab on the top that says Purchase Orders or Work Orders. You can do either one. And then, of course, you can filter by different statuses, or you can filter by other different things. If you just scroll through here, just look at all the different data that you can filter by. You can also adjust which columns, which data is showing. You can turn them on or you can turn them off. As you can see, that added or removed a column. You can move things around. Once you get your columns and filters set up, you just go over here to this cloud button and you export to Excel. You can download either format. Just click the download button and you're good to go. And like I said, you can do that for work orders. You can also do it for purchase orders by clicking on the Purchase Orders tab and doing the exact same thing.